The world of automobile has infected me already very early. Already I think with the age of 18, I customized my first car. At that time, together with my brother in our backyard garage, we modified and restored all classic cars. Classic cars somehow always have played a big role in my life, and especially now in the last years with my family also. And we are very proud because we do own a couple of classic cars ourselves, and taking them out as you at home might do as well. Nevertheless, when I started restoring my 67 Mustang a couple of years ago down here on the coast, I recognized very easy and very fast that the Costa del Sol lacks of professional supports for all ourselves, like classic car lovers, helping them restoring or making up their cars. So with a couple of other friends together, we decided to run up and start up a classic car club, which we did, which was very successful. But it didn't take me long, and I found out that they have the same problems that I do. There's nobody actually who can help you fixing your car or has more knowledge than yourself. And that's, in general, to cut the story very short, that's how Coast Classic was born. Our one-stop shop actually is the backbone of our philosophy. The secret of its success is our insistence on coordinating all different stages of any kind of restoration process. This guarantees always a great result and nothing but a premium work. I do believe that our success somehow speaks for itself. Many of our customers bring their cars and ask us, can you have a look at it? Somebody spoiled that and this for other things. And we do have a look, and we most of the time can solve the problems. And I mean, that's, I think, is a good thing which speaks for us. We have made repairing, restoring and maintaining of valuable classic cars of any kind of marquee to our whole business today. My partner and I are private classic car collectors. With our in-depth knowledge, skilled quality, understanding of the history, and our attention to details, we became expert breathing life back into classic cars, in keeping with their high standards of their respective marquee. We do believe that we understand the needs and the dreams of classic car enthusiasts very well. Let us get your classic right. We here at Coast Classics are there to assist you.